So hello guys, so today i-review natin yung recent live stream ng Valkyrie Prime. So ano nga ba yung Valkyrie Prime? So yung Valkyrie Prime is isang esports team sa Parallel and nagko-compose ito ng 4 different players which is si Hezelia, Marzok, Karakut, and Sans. So alam naman natin na si Hezelia and Karakut is galing din sa isang TCG card gameplay which is Axie Infinity. And for today, i-review natin kung ano nga ba yung mga key takeaways dun sa kanilang live stream last December 18, which is hosted by Excelsior. So let's start na.
I start being competitive with TCG games sa Yu-Gi-Oh! So, before I compete sa mga malls, like for 3 years, I guess. Tapos, when it comes to Web3, well, ang nilaro ko lang is yung The Machines Arena. Siyempre,
Yeah.
Axie Infinity.
Mm.
But when it comes to competitive, yun lang talaga na TCG is Yu-Gi-Oh!
So yun nga, makikita naman natin na si Marzo is experienced talaga sa TCG mga gameplays tulad ng Yu-Gi-Oh! So yung Yu-Gi-Oh! Ano talaga yun like literally OG game na TCG. And the Machines Arena, yan. Isang din siya. Web3 game sa Running Chain. So next one naman is yung second key takeaway natin is from Putski.
So, for the banking mechanics when it comes to Parallel, ang basic idea is ibabank natin yung high cost cards kasi hindi naman natin siya magagamit as of now. So, yun yung pinakauna as a beginner sa when it comes to banking decision.
So yun nga, yung natutunan ko doon kay Putski is kapag may mga high energy cards ka, make sure to bank it first. Kasi yun nga, hindi mo agad yung magagamit. Kailangan talaga mag-strategize sa laro na to. Hindi lang basta bato ng cards. Yan. Kailangan talaga mag-strategy dito. And last but not the least, let's hear about their communities.
And kami naman sa One Turn Tilt as a whole. So, what we really want is to expand yung community ng Parallel. So, we always make an effort to teach everyone if kaya namin, if may time kami.
So, yun guys, kapag meron kayong tanong about sa Parallel or gusto nyo ng na may mag-guide sa inyo, punta kayo sa Discord ng One Turn Tilt. Kasi personally, nandun din ako eh. Pero yun nga, kung gusto mong seryosohin yung paglaro ng TCG sa Parallel, and tuturuan ka nila from rookie to advance, make sure to join One Turn Tilt Discord. Meron silang mga sessions doon weekly eh. Na pwede kayong magtanong, pwede kayong mag-ask ng advice kung ano ba yung magandang decks or magandang strategy for these different types of gameplays. So yun lang guys, kita-kits ulit tayo sa next video and I hope may natutunan kayo for today.